Tell me, what are you going to do when you grow up?
Then when I grow up, I'm going to do a lot of stuff.
What are you going to cook?
Ew. Look at it.
Yeah, it's good. So you're going to, when you grow up, you're going to cook for mommy and daddy?
No, when I grow up, I'm going to be a police officer. When a bad guy comes in here, I'm going to come there. Here.
Oh. So you're going to catch somebody?
Yeah, the bad guy. But policemen have guns.
Uh-oh. You supposed to have a gun?
No. But policemen do have a gun.
So how are you going to be a policeman? You can't have a gun.
Well, policemen do need guns, but sometimes some go do it, but not other ones. So this, I don't want a gun when, well, I need a gun when I be a police officer because that guy might get me.
Who's that guy?
The bad guy.
How the bad guy's going to get you?
He can just push me down.
Uh-huh.
I don't do that at school. Some people do that to me at school. But Christopher, we don't throw witches at school. Because they might get in your eyes. So always when I go to school, I use glasses. So nobody else can throw witches at my eyes.
Ah, that's why you had sunglasses on, huh?
Yeah.
Do you throw wood chips at your friends?
Nope.
Do you hit your friends?
Nope.
Do you push your friends? Good. Do you bite your friends?
No. But Abante just bit me right here.
Yeah, Devonta did it, huh?
On the slide.
Yeah. That's not nice, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna eat a lot, so you're gonna be a big boy.
So I can go to the big boy classroom.
And you can go to the police school to be a police officer.
Well, at preschool, they dress up to a police officer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what? You have to go to school. You have to be really, really smart. And you have to take a test. And you have to do a lot of stuff to be a police officer. You know, first thing you have to do? Listen to mommy.
And then eat our food.
Yeah. Can you do that?
Okay.
You promise to mommy and daddy. Tell daddy.
I promise, Daddy.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oops. I didn't forget about you, Kai. Yes. Say bye-bye, Kai. Bye-bye.